again, it's Shirley from Shirley's Cooking and Workshops in Tokyo. Today, let's make a nice fried rice with leftover rice in your fridge. Don't you have this in your fridge? It's our chopped onion, chopped green pepper, chopped carrots, and chopped a little bit of garlic and a little bit of bacon and an egg. Pan. Today we're going to use a Teflon type. It's non-stick pan. It's non-stick, but we want a juicy fried rice, so I'm going to add about 1 tablespoon of olive oil. And the heat is pretty high, medium to high. Okay, I am going to add all of these ingredients at once. So if you can chop smaller, it's better because it can cook through really fast. Okay, now I am going to add egg really soon. And also warmed up rice. Okay. I tried to separate the rice. Okay. And if you can flip, just do that like, cutting movement, just like this. If you see a chunk of rice, try to break it. This is a very simple fried rice. I think I used to make it when I was in high school. Okay, now it's time to add salt, pepper, and stir a little bit. And then for the last touch, maybe a half teaspoonful of soy sauce. And it will give you a good soy sauce flavor to it. It's done. Ta-da! Okay, so don't forget, when you're using a leftover rice from your fridge, warm up before you cook. Okay? Itadakimasu! So good! If you like today's video, please give me a thumbs up and comments and subscribe for more. Thank you for watching. See you next time.